this video, we'll show you how to integrate WiserNotify with System to display real-time sales notifications on website. There are two key steps for this integration. Webhook integration automatically pulls sales data from System into WiserNotify. Pixel code installation. Add the WiserNotify pixel to your system pages to display notifications. Let's get started. First, let's add the webhook integration. Ensure you've created a sales activity notification in WiserNotify. Then, go to Customize Sales Activities Notification. Navigate to Data Source and click Add Integration and search for System and click on Integrate. Enter a connection name that is easy to remember. Click Create and copy the webhook endpoint URL. Now log in to your system account. In Websites dropdown, go to Sales Funnels. Select your funnel. Go to Automation Rules. Click on Add Rule. For Trigger, select New Sale. In Action, select Send Webhook. Paste the copied WiserNotify webhook URL. Click on Save. Now go back to the WiserNotify app. Close the integration pop-up and make sure you select the system connection in your integration list. Kindly note, the notification will only appear if the selected data source has at least one data. After integration, once you have new data, it will start showing new leads or sales activities. Now let's install WiserNotify pixel code to system pages to show the notification. Go to your WiserNotify account. Navigate to the Install Pixel page. Click Copy Code to copy your pixel script. Log in to your system account. In Websites dropdown, go to Sales Funnels. Select your funnel. Select Edit Page. Click on Raw HTML and select this new section. Click on Edit Code. Paste the copied WiserNotify pixel code into the box. Click on Save. And lastly, click on Save Changes to apply the changes. Now go to your system web page, reload it a few times to avoid the cache issues, and return to WiserNotify pixel code screen. Click on Verify Pixel Installation to confirm that the pixel code is detected successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it. You're all set to display real-time notifications on your system pages.